masala. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are 5 to 6 slices of bread which are cut into medium sized pieces, finely chopped carrot, tomato, capsicum, onion, coriander leaves and cabbage, chili 5 to 6 which are cut, pav bhaji masala, tomato sauce, salt and finely chopped garlic. So let's start. So now take a pan and take 2 tablespoons of ghee and now melt it. Now add finely chopped garlic cloves. With that, green chili slit into 2 and let them become aromatic. So now all things are aromatic and now I am going to add finely chopped onions in it. Mix them and let the onions cook until they are golden brown. So now my onions are golden brown, I am going to add vegetables. So first finely chopped carrots, then finely chopped cabbage, and then finely chopped capsicum. Mix them and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes and do not overcook it. So now after 5 minutes my veggies have cooked. I am going to add finely chopped tomatoes. Mix them and now we are going to cook them until they are soft and mushy while we are covering it with a lid. So now as you can see my tomatoes are soft and mushy. I am going to add half a tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, salt as per taste and tomato sauce 2 to 3 tablespoons. We will just mix them. So now my all ingredients are cooked. I am going to add 5 to 6 slices of medium pieces. Just mix them. So now my sauces and the vegetables have coated the bread very well. Now I am going to add some coriander leaves. Mix them and now I am going to transfer this into a plate. So transfer the bread masala into this plate. Now I am going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So this is my delicious and tasty bread masala recipe. Please try the recipe at home. Thank you for watching my video. Till that time, bye bye.